Cold weather and frost are coming. It doesn't seem fair that after all our hard summer work, the cold will come and destroy it. Hi, I'm Amy, Master Gardener and Environmental Educator. Today we are talking about protecting our plants from fall frost. Some plants, like this broccoli, may tolerate a bit of snow or frost. But the best way is to use row covers. Row cover or garden blankets are often used at night and during the day to protect plants from frost damage. You may have also heard it called Rime, which is a popular brand name. Row covers provide insulation and a barrier from cold moisture. They will buy you several weeks at the end of the season. Garden fabric may come in an accordion shape with wires already attached to the cloth. You just stretch it out over the rows and push it into the soil. It may also come in a roll that you spread out and cut or in a blanket shape. Row cover comes in light, medium, and heavy weights. The lighter weights let in more sunshine and offer a bit of protection from cold and wind, about 2 degrees. Lighter fabrics are less expensive but more prone to wind damage. Lighter weights are often laid out directly on the crop. This is good in an emergency. I'm not a big fan of laying it directly on the crop. Things like this spinach can get frost burn from the fabric touching the plant. Also, when the weather is windy, the blanket cover rubs against the leaves, causing damage. I prefer using hoops because they keep the fabric off the plants and allow an airspace that can hold warmer air. Please give this video a thumbs up and help me grow. Plastic row covers will be more insulating than fabric ones and let in sunlight. However, they also don't allow moisture in and can overheat on a sunny day. So they need to be monitored. Also, note the bricks. The row cover needs to be secured. You can use extra bricks or stones or dig it down into the soil to make it secure. The ones that are pre-made with wire often have a flap at the end so you can easily ventilate them. Some companies will give you a number or a protection factor. For instance, this heavier weight cover I bought for my broccoli had 6 to 8 degrees of protection. This means that the temperature could get down to 24 degrees Fahrenheit outside before the inside temp got below freezing. Also, this is metal conduit pipe I'm using to hold up the fabric. Johnny Seeds sells a hoop bender that is perfect for galvanized electrical conduit. You just secure the metal against the bender and pull it into shape. Nice because they are sturdy and secure in a uniform shape. You can also use plastic plumbing pipe, which is easy to bend by hand. If you are using a raised bed, just attach the pipe to the wood using plumbing straps. Heavy fabric can be reused if you take care of it. Rinse it off with a hose and dry it on the line. Never put it in a washing machine. Shade cloth is another thing altogether. I've talked about using shade cloth in the summer. It is more of a mesh made from woven polyethylene or polyester. It offers some chill protection, but it is designed to filter the sunlight. It's pretty lightweight, and you can see in this picture I'm just using a thin wire to hold it up, attached with some clothespins. Straw is fabulous for fall and winter crops because of its insulating properties. They work great as a cold frame. Making one is easy. Just take 4 to 6 bales of straw and form a square or a rectangle. I have some step-by-step instructions for them in my cold frame article that I'll link in the description. Straw is great for protecting an existing plant or for growing some cool weather plants in the fall. Straw also makes a great mulch. Get a nice thick layer around garlic and your root crops. Cold frames are another thing you can use in the fall. Great because you can make them out of leftover or salvaged building materials. They are very insulating and block the wind. The downside is that the typical cold frame needs to be ventilated, so you have to remember to prop or unprop the glass. It also won't let in rain unless you have the top off. I hope this was helpful and gave you some ways to protect your plants. Check out my video on fall gardening next. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful sunny day.